Did you know that the only mindset you truly need to attract wealth isn't about working harder or saving more? It's about aligning your subconscious at the quantum level so that wealth naturally flows to you. Today, I'm giving you the step-by-step formula that top manifestors use, condensed into a practical method you can start immediately. Step 1. Clear your subconscious blocks. Your beliefs about money create energy patterns in your subconscious. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, what money beliefs are secretly holding me back? Visualize each one dissolving like smoke. This clears space for abundance to enter. Step 2. Quantum visualization technique. Imagine your ideal life as if it's happening right now. Use all your senses, see it, feel it, hear it. The key is emotion. Your subconscious responds to feelings more than thoughts. Feel gratitude as if the money, opportunities, and freedom are already yours. Hold this for 60 seconds. Step 3. The frequency alignment mantra. Repeat silently or out loud. I am abundance. I am wealth. I am aligned with infinite opportunities. Say it with conviction. Your brain starts rewiring neural pathways, aligning your vibration with wealth. Step 4. Micro actions, macro impact. After your visualization and mantra, take one small inspired action within 24 hours, an email, a call, a smart investment. This bridges the quantum manifestation to real-world results. And if you want a complete step-by-step course that programs your subconscious for wealth, love, and clarity, check out the Almond Code, the Ultimate Manifestation Blueprint. Link in the description. Step 5. Daily Energy Reset. Spend 5 minutes each morning repeating steps 2 to 4. Imagine opportunities flowing to you, feel the abundance, and act on inspired ideas. Over time, this rewires your subconscious into a magnet for wealth. To supercharge your practice, use Neuroenergizer, a tool designed to amplify subconscious alignment and accelerate manifestation. Link in the description. It literally boosts your vibration in minutes. Remember, wealth is not outside of you. It is the frequency you cultivate within. By clearing blocks, visualizing at the quantum level, repeating your alignment mantra, and taking inspired actions, you create a direct path for abundance to flow effortlessly. Do this daily, commit to the formula, and watch as opportunities, clarity, and wealth appear in ways that feel almost impossible, until you realize it's simply quantum alignment at work. If this resonates, like, subscribe, and comment the first sign of abundance you notice today. And don't forget to explore the Almond Code and Neuroenergizer in the description. Your wealth mindset starts now.